Hello friends, today we are going to see sharing in two-dimensional transformation. So what is the sharing transformation? Sharing is an ideal technique to change the shape of an object in 2D transformation. The object shape can be changed along in x direction or it can be changed in along in y direction. So this transformation is called sharing transformation. That means to distort the shape of an object is called as a sharing transformation. Now let's see how to write the transformation matrix of a sharing. So sharing is a basically 2 by 2 transformation matrix in which the diagonal entries represents 1 1. They are by default 1 1, and the non-diagonal entries represents the sharing in x direction and in y direction. So the first column's non-diagonal entry represents, while the second column's non-diagonal entry represents sharing in y direction. So let's see some examples of a sharing transformation. So the first example, sharing in x direction by 3 units. So how to write their transformation matrix for a sharing in x direction by 3 units. So it is a 2 by 2 matrix in which the diagonal entries are 1 1 and the first column non-diagonal entry is represent the sharing in x direction, which is 3, and there is a no sharing in y direction, so by default it is 0. Now let's see some another example, sharing in y direction by -2 unit. So the transformation matrix for sharing in y direction is, it is t is equal to 1 -2 0 1. So this second column non-diagonal entry is represent the sharing in y direction by -2 unit, and there is a no sharing in x direction, so first column non-diagonal entry is by default 0. One more example, sharing in x direction and y direction by -3 and 4 unit respectively. That means there is a sharing in x direction by -3 unit and y direction by 4 unit. So then the transformation matrix is 1 4 -3 1. So this is the sharing in x direction by 3 unit -3 unit and sharing in y direction by 4 unit. Now let's solve some examples how to the object is shared in a two-dimensional transformation. So the first example, sharing the line segment AB in x and y direction by -2 and 3 units respectively, where the coordinates of the segment AB is A -1 1 and B is 1 3. Now let's see how to share that segment AB in x and y direction. So first we have to write the position matrix of the segment AB. So how to write the position matrix of the segment AB? So it is a column matrix AB, where the coordinate of the point A is -1 1 and B is 1 3. Generally, the position matrix of any object is generally denoted by X. Let's represent this segment AB in the XY plane. So let's consider the x-axis and y-axis. This is the point A, whose coordinates are -1 1, and the point B, whose coordinates are 1 3. So this is the segment AB. Now we have to write the sharing transformation matrix for x and y direction by -2 and 3 unit. So the transformation matrix, it is a 2 by 2 matrix, 1 3 -2 1. So this is the sharing in x direction by -2 unit and sharing in y direction by 3 unit. So this is the transformation matrix for a sharing. Now to obtain the sharing transformation of a object x, means segment AB, we apply this T on the object X, means we require the two basic matrices here. The first one is the object transformation matrix of the given object, and the second one is the transformation matrix. Now, if you got these two matrices, we have to apply the transformation matrix on the given object. So let's see. Applying the T on X, we get X star is equal to X into T. So this is the basic formula to transform the any object. So where X is the position matrix of the original object and T is the transformation. And multiplying these two matrices, we will get the position matrix of the transformed object. Now, how to object is transformed? So the point A and B are transformed to these two positions, where we got the segment A star B star. So this is the A star point. So A is transformed to the A star position and B is transformed to the B star position. Now what is the position of A star and B star? What are the coordinates of these 2 points that we have to calculate by using this formula? So let's see, X star is equal to X. So our matrix X is -1, 1, 1, 3 and matrix T is 1, 3, -2, 1. So by taking a row by column matrix multiplication, we will get the X star as -3, -2, -5, 6, where -3, -2 are the coordinates of the point A star and -5, 6 are the coordinates of the point B star. So we get the A star is nothing but -3, -2 and B star is -5, 6. So like any segment AB, we can share it using this in that position, A star, B star position. Let's see some another example. So apply the sharing on triangle ABC in Y direction by 2 units, where the vertices A 0, 0, B 2, 0 and C 2, 2. Now let's see how to solve this example. So first we have to write the position matrix of the triangle ABC. So it is a column matrix where X is equal to A, B, C. It is a column matrix where A is the first vertex of the triangle ABC. A is 0, 0, B is 2, 0 and C is 2, 2. Now first we have to represent this triangle ABC on the XY plane. So this is the x-axis, y-axis. Now plot the point A 0, 0, B 2, 0 and C 2, 2. So we get the triangle ABC on the XY plane. Now write the transformation matrix of a sharing in Y direction by 2 unit only. So the transformation matrix for sharing in Y direction by 2 unit is, it is 1, 2, 0, 1. So there is a sharing in Y direction by 2 unit, and as there is a no sharing in X coordinate, so this entry is 0. Now as usual, we have to apply this transformation matrix on the position matrix of the given object. So applying T on X, we get X star is equal to X into T. So where the object is shared in this way. So the triangle ABC is shared as A star, B star and C star position. So what are the coordinate of these 3 points? Let's calculate it by using this formula. X star is equal to X into T. So where X star is equal to, sorry, this must be a X star. Now X star is equal to X into T, where X is 0, 0, 2, 0, 2, 2 and T is 1, 2, 0, 1. So by taking matrix multiplication of these two matrices, we'll get the X star as, again this is an X star. So X star is equal to 0, 0, 2, 4 and 2, 6. 0, 0 is nothing but the A star, 2, 4 is B star, and 2, 6 is C star. So these are the coordinates of the point A star, B star, and C star, where A star, B star, C star is the transformed triangle after sharing in y direction by 2 units. So A star is nothing but 0, 0, B star is 2, 4, and C star is 2, 6. So these are the coordinates of the A star, B star, C star triangle. Thank you.